Scan now. Meet Sovi, your new AI study buddy.
Beach umbrella demand is shifting and we need to find the cause quickly. Let's break down these economic factors to find our winner right now. First, remember that for a normal good, an increase in consumer income would raise demand. Since option I says income decreased, that would actually lower demand, so we skip it. Next, watch out for option B because a price change only moves you along the curve. We need an external factor like a complement's price dropping to shift the entire demand. Beach chairs and umbrellas are complements. When chairs become cheaper, demand for umbrellas increases. This makes option E the correct choice for higher demand.
Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Watch signs and avoid rush. Trust given info and check steps for success.